Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Basic Economics by Thomas Sowell. A must read for everyone who are curious about how economics really work. It's simple, clear and packed with insights. So you can even check the Amazon link in the description or you can listen it for free on Audible. Now, basic economics breaks down the complex economic ideas into easy to understand examples. Sowell explains why prices matter and how supply and demand shape markets and how incentives drive behavior. No fancy jargon, just practical knowledge that applies to everyday life from taxes to inflation. This book covers it all. Now, here are some of the few lessons that stood out. People respond to rewards and penalties shaping economics. Resources are limited, so every choice has trade offs. Prices convey information, helping businesses and consumers make better decisions. Sowell tackles common economic misunderstandings like the dangers of price controls. I found this book incredibly insightful and easy to follow. Sowell's straightforward writing makes it accessible to anyone, no economics degree needed. It's a must read for understanding how policies affect us. If this sound interesting, you can grab the Basic Economics on Amazon using the link given down below, or you can even listen it for free with Audible free trial. Like and subscribe for more book reviews. See you in the next one.